Hi everyone. Tonight for supper, I'll be making baked Mexican street corn chicken. What all goes into the baked Mexican street corn chicken? 2 pounds boneless, skinless chicken breasts, 4 to 6 breasts, 3 cups fired roasted corn. You could do fresh, frozen, or canned. I got canned. 1/3 cup mayonnaise, 1/3 cup sour cream, juice of 1 lime, 3 teaspoons chili powder divided, 2 teaspoons smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon salt, 1/2 teaspoon garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon black pepper, 1/2 cup cotija cheese crumbled. I have the grated, 1/4 cup fresh cilantro chopped. So let's begin. Preheat the oven to 375. Take your 4 pieces of chicken and pound them till they're pretty well even. Mine's not perfect, but I'm kind of on a time crunch here. Take each piece of chicken and season it with salt, pepper, and chili powder, and then put it in a baking dish. I did spray my baking dish. And I'm rubbing it in and flipping it over and doing the other side. And then laying it in the baking dish. And I'll finish that and I'll be right back. I forgot to mention that when I seasoned that, I used 1 teaspoon of the chili powder, not the 3 teaspoons. The other 2 will be going into this bowl. Take your 3 cups of the fire roasted corn, drained, if you're using canned, which I am, and dump in the bowl. The 1/3 cup of mayonnaise, the 1/3 cup of sour cream, the juice from 1 lime, the remaining chili powder, which is 2 teaspoons of chili powder, 2 teaspoons of smoked paprika, and I'm not sure where the 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder goes, so it's going in here. It probably should have went on the chicken, but it didn't say. And mix that all together. Then put your corn mixture on top of the chicken. And I think it's going to be a good thing that I did spray this, because they'll be going on the bottom of the pan and probably on the sides. Then stick your baked Mexican street corn chicken in a preheated 375-degree oven until the chicken is 165 internally, about 30 to 40 minutes. And then you want to put some cotija cheese on there, some cilantro, and if you want, you can sprinkle some smoked paprika on there, but I chose not to do that. So here is the baked Mexican street corn chicken. Rounding out the meal is jasmine rice. Let's see what Dave thinks.
Well, I'm pretty sure it's this, but I have no idea what this is.
It's chicken.
I figured since there was a knife involved that I would try cutting it and see what happened. Well, I see some corn. Can't tell if that's some beans or I think it's all corn.
That is baked Mexican street corn chicken.
It's very hot. It's very good. I like it.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.